Once your organization is created, you're ready to create your event. First, go to My Account and click on Experience. Select the organization where the event will be posted. On the Create an Experience page, you'll need to fill in some basic information. Choose the language for describing your event. By default, all languages are selected. Then enter the event title and subtitle. If multiple languages are selected, you must fill out all the information for each one. Next, specify the date and time of the event. You'll need to select whether it's a single experience, multiple experiences, or a permanent experience. If unsure, check the Help section beside it for guidance. After that, enter the start and the end times for the experience. Then indicate the location type. Will the event take place indoors, outdoors, or online? For more precision, provide the exact location of the event in the description section. You'll need to select a category. For example, this is a concert. Don't forget to choose the relevant subcategories like jazz or blues and select the format, such as a stage performance. Confirm your choices. Next, specify your audience type. Is it for all audiences or specific audiences? Select the languages spoken during the event and choose the relevant languages at the end. Add tags so your event will be discoverable on the platform using filters. Once done, click Next Step on the More Details page. You'll describe the event in the selected languages. In the Experience Contact section, add the contact details. Don't forget to upload a photo that will represent your event on the platform. You can also add a video and a description to enhance visibility. Next, head over to the ticketing page by clicking Next Step. Here, specify whether the experience is free or paid, and whether places are limited. Finally, you'll see a preview of your event. This allows you to see exactly what the user will see. If everything looks good, click Send Publication Request. Your event is now created, but it will need to be validated by our team to ensure everything is correct before it's live.